Hey guys, what's going on? Sorry it's been a minute since I last posted a video, but today we're going to be doing Tournament 2. So I did a tutorial in Tournament 1, this is going to be tutorial for Tournament 2. So this one looks like we got 3 events, and 3 events are Demolition Derby, and 3 events are Demolition Derby Racing and the other one. So let's get to it. Alright. So we only have one option, Devil Sport. Alright, destroy Gator. Whoops. T-bone. Bye, Amy. Alright, Mel's gone. Oh, Lexi just killed herself. Oh. I guess I killed myself. Oops. Okay. Well. Let's go to the next event then. Alright, another Demolition Derby with just the Devil Sport. Smaller map this time. Bye now. And Lexi. Hey, dude. Oh, she hit the throw herself. Alright. First place, let's go. Now on to the third event. Again, just another Demolition Derby with the double. Not sure what this car's going to be on the dirt. We'll see. Alright, got Amy. Alright, well, Ron and Mel are gone now, so we just have Lexi and Gator. Alright, Gator's destroyed now. There we go. So I got first place. Let's go. So that's half of the tournament done. We'll go to the other half now. Take me on. So it looks like we have 3 different cars here we could choose from. And then we're racing, 2 racing, and then 1's a demolition derby. So we have the Argon, the Starlight, and the Devil of Sport. Starlight goes. Oh, I guess I got it wrong. This one is the demolition derby, not a race, but we can still win. Oh jeez. That was no good. No, it's behind. Okay, yeah, I kind of killed myself hitting Lexi, but that's okay. We'll take second. Oh, not baby. Alright, let's go on to the next part of the tournament. This one's a race. So, oh, we only get the school bus on this one. So, see how school bus does race. Probably gonna be the slowest race in history. Okay. in there. Let's go. First place. Second, or the third part of the tournament. Race. Alright. Demolition Derby. So we got, again, the Argon, the Starlight, and the Double Sport. Let's see how we do. I'm not liking my health right now. Well, at least I'm not coming last. Bye-bye. Oh, I just launched that, see? Oh. I got second to last. Alright. Well, I got second place by 1 point. Oh well. I still came first in the overall tournament, so let's go. But yeah, that's how you complete Tournament 2. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.